Hi guys, today I will show you a different video. It's regarding to my wife's car. It's a Mercedes-Benz B160. It is built in 2011, so it's not that new, but it's not a vintage car like the other cars I like. Um, but it's now 10 years old, and what was happening is that it is really expensive to update the navigation DVDs. So the Sat-Nav DVDs are extremely expensive, and and additionally, there was a problem with the DVD drive. So sometimes it's read the DVD, sometimes not. I tried the cleaning DVD. So I had to repair it. I had to replace the DVD drive. There's a company, they do it for a fixed price of roughly 250 euros. And I had to buy new DVDs, which will be additionally 200 euros. So that's expensive because you never know how long the DVD drive lasts, and you never know how long you get updated DVDs. So Mercedes-Benz is changing it too. So I decided together with my wife to buy an Android DVD, which is looking really cool, and it's working really cool. It's a more modern DVD, it's a more modern Sat-Nav, radio is included, tire pressure management is included, almost Bluetooth is included. All the modern applications are included in this. And for me it's something new to open just a plastic car like they are today, or and CAN bus driven and all this. So I hope you enjoy the video, and good luck. First of all, I want to have a look on the old Sat-Nav system and the problem with the not readable DVDs. This is the old and original one. Now it is trying to read the DVD nearly forever. So this is the new one. It is built by a Chinese company, and it is including a lot of cables and adapters. There is an installation guide. It looks really cool like the original one. It is perfectly adapted. The next step is the removal of the original DVD Sat-Nav, and therefore I have to remove the plastic things, and you can see it is not that easy.
As I have now removed the original device, I do make some photos to see which cable goes to which connector. So here it is. I will now install the new one. For installing the new Sat-Nav system, we have to adapt a lot of connectors, the antenna, the GSM antenna, and the whole device is switched on and off by a signal from the CAN bus. So therefore we need a CAN bus interface to translate the information to switch the system on and off.
Beautiful girls.
The built-in GPS antenna of the car could not be used, but the system comes with a new one and I install it under the dashboard.
Mit 1:0 verdient auch die Führung für Wolfsburg, Michael Augustin?
Jo, so ist es. Und wir haben hier den U21-Nationaltrainer live im Stadion. Zu Gast Stefan Kunz. Und
Finally, all tested functions of the system are working fine. I checked the DVD, I checked the Bluetooth, I checked all sound systems, and it is a real cool system. The display is bright and is sharp, and I'm happy with that.
Sie haben keine Nachrichten in Ihrer Mailbox. Hauptmenü. Zum Abhören Ihrer Nachrichten 1 drücken. Auf Wiederhören.
Because of how I configured it, it even comes with the original Mercedes-Benz logo during the startup. Now all the components have to be screwed and clipped together again, so that it looks like it was before. Here we can see the final result, and I'm really impressed and happy with it.
So that was my attempt to replace an old original DVD navigation on the B160 from my wife and replace it with an Android system, real modern, with Bluetooth and radio included and Sat-Nav included, which automatically updates itself using wireless LAN and Bluetooth and all the modern technologies. So you have free speech telephoning included, everything is in. As you saw, it was not that difficult. For me it was a little bit difficult because of the differences to the vintage cars. Though in the vintage cars everything is screwed, here you have to put little things from plastics and yes, but finally it's a good result. The second attempt, I hope I showed it in the video, is that we need the antenna amplifier, which really was necessary. I did not know it, but afterwards I implemented it, and radio is working very, very good. All the digital informations are coming in. That's great. So I hope you enjoyed it and hope to see you soon.